For us coffee lovers, travel can sometimes be a problem. If you're lucky enough to be heading on your holidays to somewhere with a great coffee culture, then you're in luck. But if you're heading out on your travels with work, you don't want to be stuck with the hotel coffee machine. And if you're going out into nature, you might think that instant, a yuck, is your only hope of getting coffee on the road. Handpresso don't hard case. Luckily we have a range of options to make sure you can brew coffee no matter where you are. A portable coffee maker could make all the difference to your trip. There's no need to compromise on your taste either. Even die-hard espresso drinkers can enjoy their favorite brew with our range of portable espresso coffee makers. There are so many travel coffee machines available that there'll be something that suits you just fine, from French press to travel coffee plunger to stovetop. Because we know coffee lovers have very particular tastes, and that there's more than one way to travel, we've tried to break this guide down so you can find what works best for you. Wachaco Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker. A favorite among outdoorsy and on-the-go coffee snobs, Wachaco's lightweight and ergonomic Nanopresso features a newly patented pumping system that allows you to extract the best espresso, sans the fancy at-home machine, using your bare hands. And with 15% less force than the brand's other portable models. You'll need to use finely ground beans and tamp them down firmly, but the result will be the perfect shot with the right amount of crema. We like that the machine weighs less than a pound and measures just over 6 inches long, so it's great for backpacking and won't take up much space in your luggage. You can also buy an adapter that allows you to use Nespresso original capsules. ESPROP1 Travel Coffee French Press. Eco-minded travelers who prefer French press or tea will find a worthy option in ESPRO's P1 all-in-one mug. It's designed to press 10 ounces of coffee or tea directly into the double-walled, stainless steel cup, which has a 14-ounce capacity, so it can be used with other drinks and keeps liquids hot for 4 to 6 hours. The double microfilter prevents any over-extracting, meaning you'll press out bold-flavored coffee without any bitterness. If you're more of a pour-over type, the company makes a paper filter that's inserted between the two microfilters. Caffeine Classic. The Caffeine Classic is everything you need to brew in a single, compact, relatively lightweight package. It combines a hand mill grinder, drip kettle, and metal pour-over filter, as well as an insulated mug, in a single tumbler-shaped package. You can grind your beans, brew, and drink your coffee without needing anything but a way to boil water. The resulting brew is some of the best pour-over coffee I've made. Getting the right grind is key, but the adjustable grinder allows you to experiment until you find something you enjoy. If even the compact design of the Classic is too much, you can also do what I've been doing when I travel: just bring the pour-over filter. It's made of stiff plastic and metal and has so far held up well in my carry-on bag. Delta Coffee Press. The Delta press bears some resemblance to the AeroPress, but it adds something to the equation: pressure. The Delta press is not an espresso maker, but it does, in my experience, brew stronger than the AeroPress. I also found it possible to control the strength taste-wise to an almost infinite degree by varying the grind, the amount of coffee, and the amount of water. One thing I like better with the Delta is the ability to add more water without starting a new brew, something that's not possible with the AeroPress. Delta suggests starting with a medium to fine grind, but I got enjoyable results even with a very fine espresso grind. To me, this is the best part of the Delta. It offers a wide variety of brewing possibilities, making it easy to tailor the results to your individual tastes.